Alright, we got the last of the 3 back windows going up, thanks to Roderick's hard work. We'll get all sealed up. Got some custom flashing in there, caulked on the inside, and needs some extra sealing with that expanding foam stuff, I think, but looking pretty good. Starting to paint the eaves. Decided we weren't going to go with any, you know, complex framing over all of this, closing that up, because it just adds a lot more steps and we don't need it. And really, I'm actually quite pleased with having the rafters exposed. Looks really nice. Get that out of the way, get the ladder Roderick's using, and paint all the way around. Should have plenty of paint. Trim around the doors. At that point, we're ready to get the siding and throw it up. Finish the door jamb. Finish the ceiling sheathing. Finish the walls with whatever I've got. Might have to buy a couple of sheets at most, maybe 2 sheets of plywood, and it should be enough. After that, it's on to setting up, building some shelves, getting the anvil in here, building the gas forge. Woohoo! Ta-da! Wood storage!
Broken ankles!
Still don't have my King tripod because Amazon didn't send it to me. It's annoying. A significant amount of effort. It's all more or less clear. And that is a lot of brush. Plus there's all this still there. Got the barberry bush stacked by itself, so it won't take anyone unawares. It's got these really nasty little thorns on it. Yeah, very sharp. But it's looking pretty great. I'm gonna run the lawnmower over it all and hope that we got all the stumps. Pretty sure we did. Well, it is a very rainy day, so I am on the inside, which at the moment is extremely cluttered. But I've started to get some more wood storage up. Some Mortise and tenon style brackets there, which take up significantly less space than these ones I made before. May replace those eventually. I've got a lot more wood to get stowed and a lot more things to get stowed, so I can actually get a little bit of work done in here. And I got a tripod. Oh, what a mess. Alright. My voice is a little bit shot. I went to a reunion this weekend. 10-year reunion, and boy, I was in a bar where everyone was shouting as loudly as they could. It's 2 days later and I'm still... Same day, I also went out to a Middle Workers Society meeting, off-season yard sale. Found a few cool things. Got a old motor that's set up as a polishing wheel. And, I got it for $7. My dad looked at it and said, "Hey, you know, if you decide you don't want that, I'll take it." Where's that? Oh, here we go. Dunlap 1/3 horsepower split phase motor. Bronze bearings. The extra wood that's out here is from inside the house. We've had some workmen working on there for some time now, and the last thing to do was to replace the floor in the bedroom that's down there to match the floor that's been put down in the kitchenettes and all of that. So all this very carefully packed away wood and other things all had to be moved very quickly. Not as much of it could be stacked up there as I was hoping, though. Some of this stuff will go there, but I'm also going to use this as sheathing for the wall, so haven't put it there yet. I wouldn't need to do any work in here yet, except it's raining. This doesn't count as something I can bill the landlord for. So I'm not at work, my regular job, and I'm not technically working here just yet. So I'm talking to you instead. I don't know how much this will just get sped up. That's how much I ramble, I suppose. Shingles on the floor. I decided I wanted to save them. Like make a cat house outside. Opened the door this morning and one of the cats was out there looking very wet. Very unhappy with me. I've got these two big lighting boxes here. They're huge. I make a lot of light, and I've got an old ceiling fan. Felt very adult buying a ceiling fan. That's just never something you would have expected growing up. Man, yeah, today I'm going to go out and shop for a ceiling fan. Need to get a remote control to turn this thing on and off. First tripod that I tried to order ended up not coming, and then it said, oh, it's going to be delayed, and then on the day that it said it's going to be delayed to, all of a sudden I check the status, it says, you've returned this item. No, I didn't. Anyway, but it was supposed to come with a little, start-stop Bluetooth thingy. If that was an add-on, they're probably pretty cheap. So you should grab one of those. But yes! The other thing I got. This was the expensive thing. I got a leg vise for blacksmithing. Oh, god damn, it's heavy. This is a good one. The only thing it's missing is the spring. You know, my dad asked me that question. Do you want to spend more time working on the object or using the object to make other things? That's fair. But the spring should be easy enough to make. I don't have to pay shipping on this. It's massive. It's a damn good one. Let's see. This is a 4.5, 5-inch jaw. 5.5-inch jaw. Anything else exciting and fun? Oh, geez. Got a hook. For free. And a little wood vise. It's not huge, but I didn't have one, so that'll be nice. Need an extra reinforcement.